Summary news. Welcome to the remarkable science news of the week. You can find most of the topics in the video in detail at eldricksocial.com. Without further ado, let's take a look at the week's top 5 science news. 1. Humans are pumping out so much groundwater that it's changing Earth's tilt. Earth's tilt has changed by 31.5 inches between 1993 and 2010 because of the amount of groundwater humans have pumped from the planet's interior. In that period, humans removed 2,150 gigatons of water from natural reservoirs in the planet's crust. If such an amount was poured into the global ocean, its surface would rise by 0.24 inches. A new study has now revealed that displacing such an enormous amount of water has had an effect on the axis around which the planet spins. Overall, the Earth's rotational pole shifts by several meters a year. How much drained groundwater reservoirs contribute to this shift depends on where on the planet they are located. The study showed that water removed from mid-latitudes has the largest effect on the planet's tilt. Managing how groundwater moves around the globe could therefore help limit the shifts of the rotational pole, and thus the potential climate effects that come with them. 2. NASA finds key building block for life in a moon of Saturn. The long hunt for extraterrestrials just got a big boost. Scientists have discovered that phosphorus, a key building block of life, lies in the ocean beneath the icy surface of Saturn's moon Enceladus. You can find more detailed information in the eldricksocial science category. 3. Scientists believe there is an anti-universe where time runs backwards. Scientists have suggested that there may be an anti-universe in which time flows backwards. According to Live Science, a new paper recently accepted for publication in the Annals of Physics suggests that there is a unified symmetry across the entire universe. As the research proves, the early universe was so uniform that time seems symmetrical backwards and forwards. The article argues that the way we understand the world moving forward in time and the wider universe around us needs to be expanded to include a mirrored version that moves backwards in time. 4. North Atlantic heat records. In the past few weeks, sea surface temperatures in some parts of the North Atlantic Ocean have soared to record heights. The anomalous warming is occurring in a large swath stretching almost one-third of the way across the Atlantic westward from the northwestern coast of Africa. Satellite data reveal that some surface waters in the area are almost 4 degrees Celsius above normal for this time of the year, says Brian McNulty, a meteorologist at the University of Miami in Coral Gables. This year's warmer than normal waters might help strengthen storms that form in the eastern Atlantic and eventually spawn hurricanes, scientists say. 5. New theories about could Earth be inside a black hole and black holes emerged. Actually, the question is, can our universe be inside a black hole? Gaurav Khanna, a black hole physicist from the University of Rhode Island, answered the question of black holes and what would happen if our universe were inside a black hole. I want to make a separate video on black holes, so I'm cutting this short. We have come to the end of the week's remarkable science news. I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.